The computer?
No, it's the song will.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well, if you have something open. Look at what we stopped it on.
Death Eater!
That was weird.
This is such an emo song.
See, told you.
People are like, people are taking over the world. I'm better.
What?
I mean, what the?
How are people fucking taking over the world? What?
Better.
Crazy.
Hand of Blood. Ugh. This sounds so emo. Remember this song?
Oh, you changed it. Oh, oops.
Ew.